A steamed syrup sponge is honestly one of my desert island dishes, and steamed sponges get such a bad rap and everyone says they're indigestibly stodgy. Not that I have anything against stodge, but the thing is, a freshly made steamed pudding is so light, the best treat. I'm buttering this pudding basin and also the lid. More butter, always better. No stickages here. Syrup. Look at that amber gleam. And I have some more butter here, wouldn't you know? Just cut it into little cubes to help it get softer if you're making it by hand, which I am. It's the zest of an Ocado unwaxed lemon. I mean, you can make this in a processor, in which case, apart from that and the juice of this lemon, you just put everything in at once. Ocado granulated sugar. And the reason why I put the lemon zest in now when I'm creaming the butter and sugar is that the more worked the zest is, the more of its wonderful aromatic oils it will give out. That's the palest primrose. Beautiful. And now, the first of my 2 eggs. I'm going to do this slowly at first, and then faster a bit. It's perfectly normal that it will look slightly curdled. Don't worry. Spoonful of flour. Before I add the rest of the flour, add a teeny bit of salt. Egg number 2. The rest of the flour in 3 or 4 parts. So I've already got the zest of the lemon in here, and I want the juice of half. Beautiful. Smooth this slightly to the edges. It doesn't have to be completely flat. Now you might think that making a steamed syrup sponge when you're impatient to eat it is madness, since they take hours to steam, but I have an alternative method. I give it a brief blast in the you-know-what. Could be quite careful, because steam is hot and golden syrup is hotter than anything. I won't argue if you want custard or ice cream, but for me, I want lots of cool double cream. And you can get this recipe on Ocado.com.